In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed your Typeform into a Shopify site. It's a straightforward process and works seamlessly with most themes and pages. So, if you're looking to add a touch of interactivity to your Shopify platform, you're in the right place. We're going to focus on the simplest method, the standard inline embed that's both fast and requires no coding skills. To begin this journey, we'll start over at your Typeform account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Share tab. This is where the magic happens. Under this tab, you'll see various options for embedding your form into web pages. We need to pick the one labeled Standard Embed, which is perfect for seamlessly integrating your forms into pages, blog posts, or even product descriptions. Upon selecting the Standard Embed option, you'll notice a drop-down menu. From here, you'll choose Shopify as your platform of choice. This is an important step since it customizes the embed code to ensure better compatibility with your Shopify store. Go ahead and copy the embed code that's generated. This code is the key to bringing your form to life on your Shopify site. Now, let's move over to Shopify. Log into your account and navigate to the online store section from your dashboard. Here you'll find various sections where you can place your newly minted Typeform. It could be on a general page, a blog post, or a product description, depending on where you want your form to appear. For simplicity, let's say you're adding it to a page. Once you're in the Pages section, locate the specific page you want to work with and open it. You should now see the page editor. In this editor, there's an option that shows the HTML view, typically marked with a symbol that looks like angled brackets. This part might seem a little technical, but don't worry, it's just some basic HTML. Click on this icon to switch to the HTML editor. Now, in this HTML view, you'll paste the embed code you copied from Typeform. Be mindful of where you place it. The location in the HTML code will determine where exactly on the page your Typeform shows up. So, if you're not sure, try pasting it between existing tags that seem to represent the part of the page you want the form to appear. After you've pasted the code and made sure it's in the right spot, it's time to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the top of the page, and click it. Lastly, it's time to preview your changes. Open your page live to confirm everything looks fantastic and functions just as you'd like. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully embedded a Typeform into your Shopify site. If you encountered any issues, double-check your steps, especially the HTML placement. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial helps you enhance your site with interactive forms.